What's up guys, Lucas here and welcome to my comparison review for HMA and NordVPN. Now, picking the best VPN from the vast selection of services available today is not a simple task if you are not already familiar with the choices. And although a bunch of them have appealing features, your preferences should always come first. So in this video, I'll show you how NordVPN and Hide My Ass fare against each other. Of course, these two services are entirely different when it comes to some issues. And one of the most important factors that I came across is the no-log policy. While Hide My Ass continues to receive criticisms from the public for disclosing personal user information, NordVPN is known for keeping all your details and internet activity safe. Alright, keep watching to learn other vital factors to keep in mind when choosing between the two. Then, if you'd like to learn more, I'll include some additional links in the description below. Okay, so the first factor I want to talk about is speed. So any VPN service should have two crucial features. It should be fast and safe. Although Hide My Ass faces criticisms for having a slow connection, I discovered that such findings were not totally accurate. Actually, it has over 860 servers around the world, and all of them are relatively quick. HMA also offers a 10 GB bandwidth, which is enough for streaming or downloading content. But NordVPN, on the other hand, was noticeably faster, likely because of its unlimited bandwidth and 5100 servers around the globe. So with Nord, you can enjoy an uninterrupted internet connection whenever you want to catch your favorite TV shows or download torrents. So how did Nord and Hide My Ass compare for servers? Okay, now a VPN with a lot of server locations gives its users more ability to bypass geographical restricted content with a more stable network connection. And if you download torrents, then you'll be pleased to know that Nord and HMA come with torrent servers. Now, most importantly, their many servers can help make sure that you always get one near you. Now, what about customer support? Of course, it's important to get a helpful team that can answer any questions that you have, and Hide My Ass has desk staff available for you in two separate forms. So you can choose to talk to them via email or through their 24/7 live chat feature. Sadly enough, a good number of customers have complained that the site is entirely unresponsive. So on the other hand, Nord has 3 communication platforms, and in my personal experience, its staff responds to all questions very promptly. And then how do Nord and Hide My Ass measure up for ease of use? Okay, the NordVPN app for Windows is maybe the best service in today's industry. Connecting to a server only takes one click, and Nord even has a feature which shows you the statistics to use for each server. For example, things like capacity and speed. And that allows you to make informed decisions before picking any server. Also, NordVPN has robust security features ranging from L2TP, PPTP, and OpenVPN. All these protocols have a stable SSL-based 2048-bit encryption for increased internet anonymity. Nord also comes with an automatic kill switch, which safeguards your internet activity in case your connection breaks. Now finally, it has apps available for Windows, Mac, Android, Apple, and Chrome, and you can even use VPN on 6 devices all at the same time. With Hide My Ass, you can download the app from the company's website quite easily. First, what you're going to want to do is log onto their page and click on their Help and Software button. Then choose a suitable client for the operating system you're using. I found its installation process is pretty straightforward once you follow their step-by-step guidelines. HMA also has needed security features. They include OpenVPN, PPTP, and L2TP/IPsec, and all of these protocols are relatively easy to change. HMA has an automatic kill switch to protect you from DNS leaks. And then you can use Hide My Ass on almost any operating systems, for instance, Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and lastly, you can even log in using 5 different devices simultaneously. And so in the end, I concluded that NordVPN is probably the better service. Nord's customer service was highly impressive, plus its no-log policy proved it really is one of the most reliable VPNs available. Even so, Hide My Ass is still a suitable alternative as it has lightweight customization services and it's also a lightweight app. Alright, so hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please feel free to give a thumbs up as that always makes my day. And just a reminder, if you are interested in trying out NordVPN, please be sure to check out the special discount link. I'll put that in the description area down below, so that way you can save some money. Also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the Cyber family. Be sure to stay safe, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.